Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video let's talk about how to update your banking details in Lendio. Updating your banking details in Lendio ensures that funds go to the right account when loans are approved. Here's how to do it. First, log into your Lendio dashboard using your email address and password. Then go to account settings and select banking information. Now click edit next to your current bank details. Now you're going to enter your new bank name, routing number, and account number. And then you need to re-enter the account number just to confirm accuracy. Lendio may ask you to upload a voided check or a recent bank statement to verify the ownership of the account. If verification is required, go ahead and upload the documents directly through the secure upload tool. Once submitted, click Save Changes. Lendio will process the updates, which may take 1 to 2 business days for verification. Always use a business bank account rather than a personal one. Many lenders require business accounts to release funds. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.